have a warm and hearty soup during the cold winters, and today I am going to show you a wonderful and delicious one pot hot and sour vegetable soup. So let's get started and check out the recipe. Turn on the electric pressure cooker. Click on the menu button and choose the saute option. Add half tablespoon of oil and let it heat up. Add 5 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 small piece of ginger finely chopped, 1 large green chilli finely chopped, 1 small onion finely chopped. Saute for 2 minutes. Next I am going to add all the vegetables, starting with 1 medium carrot finely chopped, 5 green beans finely chopped, a piece of capsicum finely chopped, finely chopped cabbage 1/4 cup, 4 mushrooms that have been thinly sliced. You can also chop the mushrooms if you like. So you can see I have added different vegetables. It looks very colorful and nice. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, freshly ground pepper. Mix everything. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 2 tablespoons red chilli sauce. Mix everything. Next I am going to add 3 cups of water. This is a 250 ml cup. Now turn off the saute mode and switch to soup mode. The soup is done, so I am going to wait for 10 minutes. Now it's been 10 minutes, open the lid. So the final step to making the hot and sour soup is adding the corn flour slurry and garnishing with spring onions. For this I am going to switch to manual setting. I have set the timer for about 10 minutes. I am going to add half cup of corn flour slurry. For this I have taken half teaspoon of corn flour and dissolved in half cup of water. Adding corn flour slurry thickens the soup just a little bit, so don't add too much of corn flour, otherwise it can become very gluggy. So finally I am just going to garnish the soup with some spring onions. I am adding the whites and add some spring onion greens. The soup is done, serve it hot. So there you go, here is this hearty and healthy hot and sour soup. Now you can see I've added a lot of vegetables to it, so you can choose the vegetables you want to add for the soup and enjoy it. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.